Pero hindi lang yun.
Ay, hindi na yung holiday.
Tsaka lang picture. Baka siya.
Tower. Hi guys! Welcome back to our YouTube channel, and today, first time po namin nasa Lake Big Bear. Tama po ba ako? Correct me I'm wrong. Nahilo ako kanina, nag-vomiting ako ng konti kasi hindi ako nakapag-bona ni zigzag yung dinaanan namin. Eh, napakaganda dito sa Lake Big Bear. Dito kami ni na mama. So medyo busy pa ang pakiramdam ko, pero maghahanap kami ng pharmacy para makabili ako ng gamot. And let's go! Mag-snow na po tayo! Let's go guys! Mimi. Hey mama.
Taco Bell.
Resort din.
Guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Naghanap kami ng pharmacy. Nakakita kami ng Walgreens. Ayan. So, need kong bumili ng parang Bonamine para hindi ako mahilo bago kami mag-lunch break. Pero si na mama nandun na sa Denny's para mag-reserve na at mag-wait na for the lunch. So, nandito kami sa loob ng pharmacy. My God, hindi ako nakainom ng Bonamine. So, daan muna kami bago kami mag-lunch. Bye!
Skillet.
No! Nakain si mama. Guys, tapos na kami kumain. City Magay.
That's how you're using that in there.
Kailangan naka-chain.
Sweetie, say hi.
Por acá porque por ahí no hay pasada. Ahí no.
Guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Look at the snow. Mga nakamotor lang. Guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. I think this is Tuesday right now. At yung Big Bear namin, kaduksong ito. Last Sunday yon na nagpunta kami sa Big Bear. Dahil nga gusto ni mamang makakita ng snow, makapag-banding that Sunday. And that day, sobrang hindi ako nakainom ng Bonamine. Kaya hilong-hilo ako, napasuka ako. But nakabili naman kami ng gamot doon. So, nung pauwi na kami, doon umepekto yung Bonamine. And talagang tulog na tulog ako. So, hindi na ako nakapag-close ng vlog. At syempre, family day, talagang sinagad ko yung last day of vacation ni Sweetie, ng aking asawa. Nag-banding talaga kami. And thank you so much to Cecil, my good friend in San Francisco. Talagang binigyan niya ako ng idea kung ano bibiling ko sa Walgreens na Bonamine para hindi ako mahilo dahil sobrang sigsag talaga at sobrang lamig. And we're so happy kasi before ending our vacation ay talaga namang samot-samot na na-try din namin makapag-snow. Kaya hindi naman nakakamisa mag-snow kasi if we want to go to snow, may malapit na snow dito sa amin na parang 1 hour and a half. So may enjoy mo rin mag-snow talaga. So this time sobrang lamig. It's Tuesday. Gusto ko magpasalamat sa New Blessing kasi tinawagan na ako para sa another work ko dito sa America. It's another part-time. Thank you so much. It's 3 days. So talagang God is good for 2024. We push na bumalik na sa trabaho. I think for long time na nakapag-chill, nakapag-relax, nakapag-bakasyon kung saan-saang lugar at states. Ay balik work na naman tayo. Today, pupunta kami ng mga TJ Maxx or Burlington para mag-start na rin ako ng pasabay ko for my second box for this 2024. And nag-ayos na rin ako ng mga new collection sa aking shop dito sa Amerika, sa The Happy Home by Dance Pink Closet. And supposed to be lilipat kami ng Little Big Space para nandun na lahat sila at sama-sama. And syempre, sobrang busy ko kasi nag-start na kami mag-ayos for our wedding this coming December. And excited for the new travel pa and ang pag-uwi ko sa Pilipinas. So abang-abangan nilang yan. Gusto ko na pong ikat ang aking vlog from Big Bear, and this week medyo busy na po tayo, back to work, and happy time lang tayo, and pray more, and syempre good health every day. So guys, thank you for watching our vlog. See you in my more vlog for this coming 2024 for excitement. I'm so excited for my wedding day, sa new business ko, and sa updated sa aming bahay na na-renovate sa Pilipinas. I-share ko rin po yan sa inyo because a good achievement. And syempre, we're so excited for 2025 na baka naman soon ay makapag-start na rin kami ng new home namin dito sa Amerika. So, more update, more work, more love, good health, and love. And see you again in my next vlog. Bye guys! You take care. Bye!
Keep it softly spoken, with no strings tying you to me. I'm happy in your company with no emotion, 'cause my love deserves to be free. I never wanna look at a house in the garden, I never wanna lock you down. I know you're not mine, it's just my turn, but we can still have fun for now. Told me you don't really do commitment, trust me, consider your message received. When you said you couldn't take us too seriously, I must admit I was relieved, 'cause I never wanna play happy families with you, but I like having you around. I'm fully aware this is a flash in the pan, but we can still have fun for now. So when you stop paying so much attention, and when you're moving in another direction, don't worry, I get it. I meant what I said when I said